Your partner portal is an easy, secure way to coordinate with your loan officer and showcase property sites. When you log into Mortgage Circles, you'll be able to communicate with your loan officer, review transactions you are participating in, submit new leads, create mini websites for properties, design open house forms, and more. To get started, open the Mortgage Circles website in your mobile browser. You will also need to open the email sent to you by your loan officer about your new portal. In this email, you will be given a Mortgage Pro ID and a password for access to your portal. To log in, just put this information into the Mortgage Circles website at the top of the page. Your loan officer may provide you with a password in a separate email for security purposes. The first page you will see upon logging into Mortgage Circles is the dashboard. This screen will give you a brief overview of your participated transactions. At the top of your dashboard, you can swipe side to side to navigate between your dashboard features, including updates to your transactions, recent communications with your loan officer and clients, new leads and funded clients, and lead conversion statistics. Of particular note, the Updated Transactions panel will show any records you are participating in that have been updated since you last logged in. You can click any client names to open the Participated Transactions tab for that record. Here, you can use the tabs at the top of the page to contact the client, view their loan status, manage documents, and create tracked notes on their record for the loan officer. In the upper left corner of your screen, you can tap the icon to access the navigation menu for your portal. You can see the various options available by swiping up and down, and you can tap any link to open a page. You can return to the dashboard at any time by tapping the topmost option in this menu. The tools and options shown below may differ from those that your loan officer has enabled for your partner portal. If you see something here that doesn't show up in your portal, you can always contact your loan officer. In the Participated Transactions page, you can access records of all the clients whose mortgage processes you are participating in. Here, you will have the same options available for records that you do in the Updated Transactions from the dashboard screen, but you can access all mortgages you are participating in. The My Messages page will show all events that are relevant to your mortgage clients you are helping with, including tracker updates for participated records and messages between you and the loan officer. You can view more information for linked clients by tapping their name. You can conveniently request pre-approval for mortgages in the Pre-Approval Calculator page. Here, you can enter mortgage details in the listed fields, tap the Request Pre-Approval button to start a request, or tap Get Report URL to copy a link you can share with clients. Using the menu at the top of the page, you can swipe to the side to see a detailed payment breakdown, amortization graphs, a principal versus interest chart, and a month-by-month payment schedule. The Submit New Lead page provides a fast, simple way to send new lead information to your loan officer. Here, you can put client data in the form fields, add any comments for your loan officer below, and tap Send Information. This will transmit the new lead data to your loan officer and automatically list you as the referrer. You can instead choose to take a different role using the Participate As menu. Another great tool you can use to collect leads is the Open House Form page. Here, you can set up a screen to display on a tablet or computer at an open house, which visitors can use to enter their information. Just like the new lead form, this page will send a new lead to your loan officer with the entered data when a lead taps Submit Form. You can customize this open house form, starting with an open house name and selecting how you are participating from the drop-down menu. Next, you can choose from 5 different open house templates to customize the look. Below, you can tap the Modify Fields button to configure which data fields will appear on the form. These can be chosen using the checkboxes to the left. Any that are filled in with blue will appear on the form. You can reorder or remove fields using the icons to the right, and you can add fields to the page using the menu above the list. When you tap Generate Page, a new window will appear with the information you selected. You can create, maintain, and share pages for properties using the Property Sites page. New properties can be added using the button in the upper right corner of this page. Here, you can enter details about the property, create a unique name and URL, choose a site template, and add a brief sales pitch to appear on the site. When you tap Next below, a new page will be created specifically for that property, and you can continue to edit that site. When editing a property site, you can swipe between the menu tabs at the top of the page to add details about that property. Property Details will let you edit the basic information you previously entered for the property. You can then upload images of the property from your mobile device by tapping the Add Photo box. This is a great way to make the property site appeal to clients. The Property Features tab will provide a checklist you can use to quickly list elements of the property. You can add your own features to this list using the field above. Under Layout, you can review examples of the various page templates and select one for the site. When ready, you can use the Select Layout and Preview Site button below to see what the page will look like with all the information you've entered. You can use the My Info page to customize your contact information used in all communication via the partner portal. Here, you can upload a profile and company picture from your mobile device, add personal contact information, and list a personal website if relevant. Once entered, the information will be updated when you tap Save at the bottom of the page. Lastly, you can always tap your loan officer's name in your menu to get in touch with them directly. When you tap Quick Connect, you can use the links here to call, message, or email them with any questions or comments. When you're ready to leave Mortgage Circles, just tap the Logout menu option.